Hello everyone, on this video I want to talk about the backup migration plugin from Backup Bliss, and I want to show the couple of the features. With this plugin you can create backups for all website or some of the sections. You can remove the plugins or themes depending on your needs. And on the premium, it is not ready yet, but on the premium you will be able to eliminate, remove some of the couple plugins. Let's say you have 10 plugins, but you just need a couple of them, one or two, and you will be able to do that later on when they develop that feature with the premium. And you can create your staging sites and restore your backups and to the point to your site. So I created a test subject test page. So I have a about us page. I want to make some changes on this page, but of course I cannot make this live. Let's imagine this is a live site and lots of people visiting, like the daily, let's say 1000 people visiting the website. So that's why we can't make it live. Yeah. And that's where we need the backup. So with that, I'm just gonna create a new backup. Okay. Let's create the backup. It should be pretty fast. Let's give it a second. Nice. Oh, I have WooCommerce database a little bit. I'm testing lots of things on this site. Okay, good. And we can give this backup like copy paste to remote site. If you want to move this backup to another site, that's possible too, or we want to download it. Okay. But for now, I just want to create a staging site. Okay. There is two ways to make a staging site. One is remote. We can create a new website on TasteVP. TasteVP is a nice testing site. We can create lots of websites here, or we can create the staging on our server. Let's say we want to create it on our server. Create a staging site. Of course, we can make it from the backup. I almost made it like from the live, but we can create a staging from the backup. Let's do that. Okay, nice. Yep, do it. Nice. File size is small, so it shouldn't take too much time. This speed depends on your server speed and your website size. Okay, so this two variable is directly affecting the speed of the backups process. Keep it in mind. Let's go to the staging. Now I have the staging. Nice. And now I can edit the About Us page without worrying about the 1000 people visiting the page. Let's make the changes. Let's make the images. Let's make this. Why this image is so bad? No. I want to create a section, put it up top. Give it a background. Select the background. Give it a height. Okay, it's enough. That's it. I'm not gonna do much more. And now my changes are ready, and now I can restore from this point. Okay, let's go back to the migration, and now I will create another backup in the staging. Let's do it like that, and I will copy that backup and restore it on the dev site. Let's create the backup. Let's give it a second. Okay, and I will copy the staging backup. Okay, copy the link and manage and restore and paste it on my dev site. Okay, let's do that. Paste, restore now. And I just want to restore it on the staging state. Okay, I made some changes on the About Us page, and now I will see it on live. Easy as that. Let's see if it is that easy. Let's give it a second. Okay, great. And it's done. Let's refresh the page. Do I need to re-log in? Maybe. Oh, I need to re-log in. That's fine, as expected. And now Do I have the changes? Yes, I do have the changes. I made this title change and the image change. Now it is live without a problem. So, and it has a couple more features too. Let me show that. And you can like separate some of the sections, folders, files, and filter some of them. You can exclude some of the database options. Those are premium, but it is possible. And you can backup to the Google Drive. You have it is a premium feature, but you can do it. Keep it in mind. If you have the premium, you can do it. And other features are on the way. I especially love like this Google Cloud is amazing. I think I would use that. SFTP, love it. S3, and I wouldn't use Amazon. I would use DigitalOcean. I wonder if it will be possible to use DigitalOcean S3 because people started to move to the DigitalOcean because Amazon is so expensive. But both of them is S3 type, so it should be possible to set up. We will see. We will see. They are still developing, and we can select file type. And oh, we can get email notification when the backups are ready. Nice. And we can make the troubleshooting. And oh, I didn't show it, but of course, with this, you can make automated backups like daily or weekly. And that's amazing, actually. You don't need to do anything. It will just make a backup and keep last 2 backup. And it will keep as many as you want. Oh, this feature is not free usually. Nice. Okay. That's it. If you guys have any questions, and write a comment, please. And I'm gonna give a link on the description or top of the comment, probably. You can click and check the plugin. See you guys on the next video. Bye.